Today, I have an interesting topic to discuss with you. This is the topic which every man dream of in his teenage. Yes, how to become rich. How we can become a multi-millionaire. You want a private jet? Yes, I know, we all want. You want a Lamborghini? You want a Ferrari? You want a Bugatti? Yes, we all want these things. And all men dream of all these things in their teenage when they were growing up. But the question arises, how we can do this? How we can become a multi-millionaire, a multi-billionaire? How we can? This is the question. So the 6 things, you have to adopt these 6 things which I'm telling you. If you adopt these 6 things 100%, I can guarantee you, if you stick to your plan and adopt these 6 things which I am mentioning you in few years, it's a matter of only few years, you will achieve this milestone. Number 1 thing, identify your goal. Number 2, educate yourself. Number 3, save money. Number 4, do investment. Number 5, get rid of debts. Number 6, add value to yourself. So these are the 6 things which I just mentioned. Adopt these 6 things and I can guarantee you 100% you will achieve that milestone. So identify your goals. First, you have to identify. You have to ask yourself, just for few weeks, few days, just go somewhere and give time to yourself and ask yourself what really you want to do. What really you want to do in your life. If you're doing a 9 to 5 job, I know 95% of people doing 9 to 5 job are not comfortable with their job, are not happy with their job, because what they are earning, it's only just for their bread and butter life. They're just not making that much amount which can give their a luxury life standard. So it's a daily expense. They are covering their daily or monthly expense maximum. So people who are doing jobs 9 to 5, they want to get rid of that and they want to do something which can make them multi-millionaire or billionaire to achieve that milestone. So first ask yourself what really you want to do. Want to become an engineer? You want to become a doctor? You want to go in a sports field? You want to go for the construction business, you want to go for the manufacturing business, you want to go for the IT business, you want to go for the online business, you want to go and work doing freelancing, you want to do any type of business. First ask yourself what you want to do. If even you want to become an artist, just ask yourself. First identify your goal. What is your goal? Second thing, educate yourself. In any field, in any business you want to go, first educate yourself. If it's compulsory to get a degree for that particular field or the business, just do get it. Just give few months or few years to yourself and do get that degree or certification or relative education about that, respectively, that field. Just get that education. Number 3, save money. Save your money. Just get some box of saving money at your home and put 5% or 10% of your income in that. Every month you're getting, for example, you're getting 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 pounds or dollars each month. Just get 10% of that income into your saving box. Do it every month so you get a respective and a handsome amount of money at the end of the year. Number 4, do investment. Start investing. If you have a handsome amount of money, start investing in stocks or real estate or any other business if you think it can give you a really good profit. Even if you have a small amount of investment, start investing in stocks, in Forex, whatever you like. But for me, my field is of stocks, Forex or crypto trading. If anyone have money, I will advise him to put in stocks. Just learn about few companies having a good portfolio, having a good 5 years balance sheet and statement, and they can give you a very good amount of profit. Just invest in those stocks and the shares. Number 5, get rid of your loans having high and interest. If you have any debt, if you have taken any sort of loan and you're paying high and interest, just get rid of that loans. Don't take loans. Some type of business, I know that you have to take loan. At the end of the day, you don't have that much big money to start a business. You need the loan, but don't take high interest loans. Just go for the lower one. Otherwise, don't take it. So advice, don't take these loans. Number 6, the last thing, add value to yourself. Learn some skill. Educate yourself. Learn some skill. For example, if you're a lawyer, just go at the top list of the lawyer. Be a professional lawyer. If you're walking from the door and your client is sitting in front of you, he knows your value, that you are the number one, you are the top lawyer. And if he is paying you $100,000, $200,000, it's worth for him, because he knew that your value is far more than this amount. Add value to yourself. Learn skills. Have some skills. Be the number one. Any field, be the number one. If you're a sportsman, be the number one. If you're in construction business, be the number one. You have construction business, DPR construction company, $1 billion company. You go for the manufacturing, Tesla is there, Ford is there, Unilever is there, $1 billion company. If you go with the IT, Microsoft is there, Apple is there, trillion dollar companies. If you go with the online business, Amazon is there, Alibaba is there. Amazon is now almost $1 trillion approximately company. Apple is $1 trillion company. Microsoft, Google is $1 trillion company. Any field you want to be in, be the number one. Be number one. That's what you have to think about yourself. Anything you want to do in your life, you have to be number one in that respective field. These 6 things which I told you, adopt these 6 things. Make habits of these 6 things in your life. And I can guarantee you 100% after a few years, you will see from zero, you will reaching that level which you want and which you dream of in your teenage. I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, please like and share this video with your friends. And in our next video, we will learn about the chart patterns. We already have done the candlestick patterns. Now we will move to the chart pattern. Stay tuned so you will get the notification of our videos. Thank you. Goodbye.